Today, we are going to look at evaluating an expressions. So let's dive in to look at some examples. All right, so we have 7 plus 5 times 4. Now, when you are given an expression of this kind, which one are you to solve first? The addition or the multiplication? To prevent this type of confusion, that is why maths has come out with a concept or a rule that anytime we have multiple operational signs in an expression, which one we are supposed to do first, so that we will not get different answers to the same expressions. And this term is what we call PEMDAS, which I have made a video on. You can check it out for detailed explanations. The PEMDAS rule states that whenever an expression is given, you should do parentheses or bracket first, followed by exponent, followed by multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So considering these expressions, we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponent, but we have what? Multiplication. So we are going to solve the multiplication first. So 5 times 4 gives us what? 20. Then you bring your 7 plus. And 7 plus 20 gives us what? 27 as our final answer. Now, I want you to understand that anytime we have multiplication and division following each other in an expression, we solve it from left to right. Now, what I mean is that when we have 6 times 3 divided by 2, you should solve it from left to right. Likewise, if we have 2 divided by 7 times 4, we should solve it from where? Left to right. In the same manner, if we have addition and subtraction following each other in this format, we solve it from left to right. Let's say we have 2 plus 6 minus 4. You solve it from left to right. If you have 5 minus 7 plus 2, you solve it from left to right. The reason is that wherever you start solving from, you are going to arrive at the same answer. With this concept in mind, let us look at our next example. Example number 2, we have 18 minus 3 times 5. So still using what? PEMDAS. Now we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents, but we have multiplication. So we solve that first. 3 times 5 is 15. Then you bring your 18 minus. And 18 minus 15, we have 3. That's our final answer. All right. So let's look at another example. We have 24 divided by 6 plus 8. Now we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponent, we don't have multiplication, but we have division. So we solve the division first. 24 divided by 6, we have 4, and bring your plus 8. 4 plus 8 gives us what? 12. That's our final answer. All right, so let's have our next example. We have 30 minus 16 divided by 4. Now we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponent, we don't have multiplication, but we have for division, so we solve that first. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Then 30 minus. 30 minus 4 gives us what? 26. That's our final answer. Now you can pause the video to solve the next one. We are going a bit higher. We are going to solve the one that involves what? Parentheses or bracket. So we have 12 plus 3 times bracket 10 minus 6. So here we have parentheses or bracket. So we solve that first. 10 minus 6 gives us what? 4. Then you bring your what? 12 plus 3 times 4. Then we don't have exponents, we have multiplication. So we solve what? Multiplication next. 3 times 4 gives us what? 12. And then 12 plus 12, we have 24. I hope that is clear. All right, so let's look at our next example involving parentheses. So let's look at 20 minus 4 times bracket 7 minus 3. Now we have parentheses, so we solve that of the bracket first or the parentheses first. We have 7 minus 3 giving us 4. Then you bring your 20 minus 4 times 4. Now we don't have exponent, but we have multiplication. So we solve multiplication first. 4 times 4 is 16. Bring your minus and bring your 20. 20 minus 16 gives us what? 4 as our answer. We are moving a bit harder to look at expressions involving what? Substitution, where we replace a variable with a number. So we have 3x plus 5, where x equals what? 4. So what it means is that wherever you see s, you replace it with what? 4. So 3x means what? 3 times x. So 3 times 4 plus 5. Using the PEMDAS, we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponent, but we have what? Multiplication. So we solve that first. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 5, giving us what? 17 as our final answer. All right, let's look at a bit harder example where we have 2x plus 3x divided by 2, where x equals 4. So we are replacing what? X with 4. So we have 2 times 4 plus 3 times 4 divided by 2. 2 times 4 gives us what? 8. Plus 3 times 4 gives us what? 12 divided by 2. We don't have parentheses, we don't have exponent, we don't have multiplication, but we have what? Division. So we solve that first. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then you bring your 8 plus, giving us what? 14 as our final answer. All right, so let's look at a bit harder, which involves 4 terms. We have 4y divided by 2 plus 3y minus 5, where y equals 2. So we are replacing what? Y with 2. This gives us 4 times 2 divided by 2 plus 3 times 2 minus 5. So 4 times 2 gives us what? 8 divided by 2 plus 3 times 2 gives us 6 minus 5. Using PEMDAS, we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponent, we don't have multiplication, but we have for division. So we solve that first. 8 divided by 2, we have 4 plus 6 minus 5. And as I said earlier from the beginning, that anytime addition and subtraction follow each other, you solve it from where? Left to right. So 4 plus 6 gives us what? 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 gives us what? 5 as our final answer. All right, so we are moving a bit higher to look at expressions involving what? Fractions. Expression involving fraction. So let's look at 24 plus 12 divided by 10 minus 6. Now we know that 24 plus 12 gives us what? 36. Divided by 10 minus 6 gives us what? 4. 36 divided by 4 gives us what? 9 as our final answer. And then let's look at the last example, but not the least, a bit harder. 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6 divided by what? 9 minus 3. So this gives us 18 plus 6, we have 24. And then 9 minus 3, we have 6. 24 divided by 6, giving us what? 4. And that is it. Learners, today we have looked at how to what? Evaluate an expressions. Please try your hands on it so that you become master when it comes to evaluating what? Expressions using PEMDAS. Until we meet again, please keep practicing and remember to subscribe to the channel so that you will receive more simple practical math lessons. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye.